Hello everyone, welcome to Gogetmyguru. First, we'll understand the logic of reversing number. Let's consider user will give input 123. We should get output 321. For that, we need to write some logic. The logic will be like this. User input is equal to int input, enter the number. First consider initial value will be 0. Then write while loop. In while loop, write a condition that is user input is greater than 0. If user input is greater than 0, then the user input mod 10 will give the reminder. And to get new initial value is equal to initial value multiplied with 10 and add reminder. That reminder will add with the initial value, which is multiplied with 10, will store that value in initial value. Again, the older initial value get changed to new initial value. User input by 10 gives the new user input, print the initial value. When you run this code, enter the number and here you are getting output 321, which is reverse of number 123. Let me explain how this code works from beginning. In first iteration, the user input is 123 and initial value is 0. In while loop, it will check for the condition that is user input is greater than 0. Here the user input is 123, which is greater than 0. Then 123 mod 10 will give the reminder that is 3. That reminder will get added with the initial value, which is multiplied with the 10. Initial value is 0 multiplied with the 10 plus reminder will give the new initial value that is 3. And user input floor division 10. User input is 123, floor division is 10. We'll get new user input that is 12. It means when 123 is divided by 10, give the remainder as 3 and 12 as a quotient. Here quotient is new user input. Here quotient is considered as user input and 3 is considered as new initial value. In second iteration, the user input will get changed from 123 to 12 and initial value will change from 0 to 3. And it will check for the condition that is user input is greater than 0. Here the user input is 12, which is greater than 0. And if you mod 12 with the 10, will give the remainder 2. That remainder will get added with the initial value and multiply with the 10. The initial value is 3, which is multiplied with the 10 will become 30 and it will get added with the remainder 2. The new initial value 32. The user input floor division with 10 will give the new user input that is 1. 12 divided by 10 will give the new user input. In third iteration, the user input will get changed from 12 to 1 and initial value will get changed from 3 to 32. And it will check for the condition that is user input is greater than 0. Here the user input is 1, which is greater than 0. And it will get mod with the 10, the remainder is 0. 1 divided by 10 will give the new user input. Here the floor division always gives the lower bound integer value. Let's explain this reversing number code in the object-oriented programming concept. First create a class, named it reverse number and write a function that is def get reverse number with parameters self and user input. Then write initial value is equal to 0 and write while loop with condition that is user input is greater than 0. If user input is greater than 0, it will get mod with 10 and it will give the remainder and that remainder will get add with the initial value which is multiplied with 10 to give the new initial value and user input divided by 10 new user input, then it will return initial value. And in main function create an object for the class reverse number, that is reverse number is equal to reverse number. Then give user input is equal to int input, enter the number, then call the function by object name dot function name and call the function by object name dot function name with user input parameter and store in a variable reverse number result. Print that variable and call the main function by evaluating if condition and run this code, enter the integer value, that is 123. The output is reverse of the entered number, that is 321. Instead of 123, you can give 1234. You will get the reverse of 1234, that is 4321. Like this, you can write the code for reversing number. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next session. Keep coding. Happy learning.